Okay, take two. I've been following several photographers that do amazing landscape and woodland photography, and I was really excited about that because normally I only do street photography, urban photography and architecture. And I thought by myself, I need to do that kind of photography as well one day. So maybe I can go to Wales or to Scotland and do that type of photography. However, about 2 weeks ago I found an amazing bit of nature in London, in Hammersmith, across the river. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take some urban woodland photography. So I arrived at the location where I want to take the photos. I'm really excited. I have seen lovely flowers already, some tree trunks, some ivy that's grown around trees, some really old dead trees that's sticking out in the sky. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna pack my camera out and I'm gonna take some shots. Oh yeah, by the way, the camera I have on me today is the Canon 5D Mark II. The lenses are the 24 to 85 kit lens and 70 to 200 zoom lens. Okay, let's take some shots. So I've taken several shots handheld. There was one shot that didn't really work out handheld and it needed a little bit more work. So what I've done is put my camera on a tripod and I have taken several exposed shots that later on the computer I can just merge them together. Just to evidence that I'm not in the middle of nowhere, I am in London, very near to Heathrow. Airplanes, every minute. So that was it for today. I'm gonna wrap up this urban woodland shot. Funny enough, I didn't move much today. Let me show you my neighborhood. This is where I took most of my shots. That means I have more to explore for another time. Okay, thanks for watching.